I'm Bruce Whitehouse with the Whiting Group and based in Burlington, Ontario. The impetus to join Innovators came from several different directions. The first of that would have been when you're trying to lead a company, and I say trying to because oftentimes I feel like I'm not successfully doing so, but trying to lead a company, there comes a period in time when, in a growth curve when you really start to run out of answers. If you had answers before, you get to the point where you know you don't have them going forward, so you end up looking for different exposures, different experiences that can help you to generate the answers that you need. And I think that's where I was and where we were as an organization. We were facing a changing marketplace. It was becoming much more intensive in terms of commoditization and competitiveness. We had been in a business market where innovation was not something that had been a key focus for us, but we recognized that that needed to change. And not knowing how to do that necessarily, I was looking for ways that I could help us and me to better lead and to better grow into that area. And so Innovators became known to me and became an area that I wanted to further explore. And doing so with IA has really kind of answered that. It's also the fact that it's kind of, you've heard it before, it's lonely at the top. So when you don't have anybody to turn to, it really helps to have a resource of probably similarly minded people who have different experiences but share a common bond with you. I think IA has looked like it would, and I think it has proven to be a good source for that. The Innovators experience has been very good for, I think, our organization and especially for me. And it's not so much about what you learn, although that's a good part of it. It's about sharing the experiences that you have, but also sharing the experiences that others have. It's really the networking that I think has been the most significant benefit and most significantly appreciated aspect of IA. Our chapter meetings are based around a group of people where we share a pretty significant common trust. We develop that trust over a number of meetings, and in so doing you get to understand what other people's experiences are, you get to be able to share your viewpoints, and you get to learn their viewpoints and what they have been able to experience, and ends up being something that you put the whole together, and I think it creates a stronger company, a stronger individual, and then ultimately I hope it creates a stronger organization, being Innovators, because you are sharing that together with your peers. And it's really that peer networking, I think, that has been the biggest benefit for myself, for our organization, and I hope for IA as well.